ありがとう。
Add your clips, then sync them to the audio. Now follow what I'm doing. Go on the beat where you want to add sec. Go on video effect. Now add sec effect. Make it as small as you can. Adjust it. Make speed 30, intensity 20. Now copy. Now edit in every clip. Now go on video effects again. Then add oblique blur. Adjust. Make blur 100 and rotate 50. Copy. Make blur 50. Now copy the first oblique blur 7 times. Now copy the second oblique blur 2 times. Now do it in every clips. Zoom the clip. Now add keyframe. Add keyframe at the beginning and at the end. Now add 2 more keyframe. One on between the effects and at the end of effect. Now add the first keyframe. At the first keyframe, make it go up. At the third keyframe, make it go right. Do this on every clip. After done adding keyframes, time to add animation. Go on animation, then in. Select swing button. I have 6-second clip, so I will be making swing button 0.3 second. If you have longer clip, then make it longer, or if you have shorter clip, then make it shorter. Now go on out. Now go on out. Select fade out, and just like swing button, make it up to your clip. If your clip is longer, then make it 3 to 2 seconds. If your clip is short, then make it 1 second. Now do it on every clip. Done. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.